Hi boys and girls, today we're going to compare and order whole numbers to the billions place. You're going to need to create a place value chart in your journal like the one you see on the screen. Did you know that the Earth is not perfectly round? The North Pole is 6,356 kilometers from Earth's center. The equator is 6,378 kilometers from the center. Which is closer to the Earth's center, the North Pole or the equator? We can use place value to compare numbers. Using a place value chart, write the numbers lining up the places. So let's go ahead and do that. In our first row, let's write the distance of the North Pole from the center of the Earth. The distance of the North Pole is 6,356. So I'm starting with the thousands place, and I'm going to put my digits in there, 6,356. Now in the second row, let's label the equator's distance. And that distance is 6,378. So we will put each digit in its place for that number. 6,378. Now we are going to begin at the left and compare. So to the far left, we have 6 in the number for the North Pole and 6 in the number for the equator, both in the thousands place. Those are equal. The thousands digit is the same in both numbers. Look at the next digit. The hundreds digit is also the same in both numbers. The first place where the digits are different is the tens place. Compare 5 tens is less than 7 tens. So 6,356 is less than 6,378. Therefore, the North Pole is closer to the center than the equator is. Now let's use the same place value chart to compare 3 numbers. I will delete this that I have. You can continue on the bottom. You can skip a row so that you can write your new numbers and not get confused. Okay. All right. The first number we're going to write is 36,460. 36,000. So I'm going to start here in the 10,000s place. 36,460. The next number I'm going to write is 26,772. 26,772. And the third number is 26,012. So 26,012. I didn't hear the word hundreds, so I don't have hundreds in there. It's a 0. All right. I always start on the left to compare. So I'm starting with the 10,000s place. 3 10,000s is greater than 2 10,000s. And that makes this our greatest number. So this would be the greatest. Now I have to compare these two numbers, 26,772 and 26,012. Well, they both have a 2 in the 10,000s place. So we compare the thousands. They both have a 6 in the thousands. In the hundreds, however, 700s is greater than 0 hundreds. So this is the next greatest number. Okay, so this is the next greatest number. And then that leaves us with 26,012 as the least number. All right, so that's the least. And now we have them labeled least to greatest. This should say least. Okay. Or we have them labeled greatest, next greatest, and least. Okay. So if we want to compare them, if we want to label them or write them in order from least to greatest, then we would write 36,460 is greater than 26,772, and that's greater than 26,012. Okay. And this is how we compare numbers so that we can order them from least to greatest. Your activity for today is to look at prices and square footage of different houses and order and compare and order those numbers using a place value chart, just like we did together here. You are going to go to your math course in Schoology and find your lesson for today.